dear students, how are you all children today? I hope you all are good at your home. Dear student, once again I am here, your teacher, to make you learn maths. Dear students, did you learn yesterday's difference between long and short? Yes, did you compare anything? Yes. So children, today let's continue learning about comparison, and today we are going to learn about fat and thin. Okay students, what we are going to learn today? About the comparison of fat and thin. Okay, now look at the examples. Okay children, students, now look at your book at first. Okay, so the meaning of fat means mota and the meaning of thin means patla. Okay, now look at your book, page number 35. Okay children, now see here, she is Harini. She is Harini. So Harini is a fat girl. Yes children, Harini is a fat girl. But look at the picture of Sanjana. She is Sanjana and Sanjana is thin girl. She is thin girl. Harini मोटी है और संजना पतली है. ओके, सो जो कोई भी मोटा होता है उसे क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? फैट. सो चिल्ड्रन, हारिनी इज अ फैट गर्ल एंड संजना इज अ thin girl. Say children, Sanjana is a thin girl. Read your book. Harini is a fat girl and Sanjana is a thin girl. Very good. Now let's understand with the help of some more examples. Yes students, now let's learn more about fat and thin with the help of some given pictures. Yes children, these are two instruments of music. Do you like to play music? Yes, very good. So children, this is fat and this is thin. In Hindi, यह मोटा है और यह पतला है. See here next one. This book is fat book. यह मोटी किताब है. This book is fat book. Say children, fat book. And this book is thin book. Say thin book. Now, after learning with the help of some pictures about fat and thin, let's learn with the help of some more objects. Okay? After learning about fat and thin, let's do some activity learning. Okay? So, dear students, take out your fingers. Now, you can see that. Yes, open your thumb. Okay? Open your any hand's thumb. Okay, like this, and little finger. Now see, this finger is fat. This finger is always fat in compared to this finger, this little finger. This finger is thin. Okay students, say like that, fat, thin. Yes, say children, fat, thin. Now see this diary. This diary is fat and this book is thin. Okay, understand children, this diary is or this book is fat book and this book is thin book. Now see this two boxes. Yes, this box is fat according to this. Yes, in comparison to this one is thin. Say children, fat, thin. Okay, so dear students, let's do some activity. Students, now let's do some activity. See here, tick the fat object. So here students, this is the picture of boy and girl. So which picture is fat? Yes, fat. So which picture is fat children? B-O-Y, boy, or G-I-R-L, girl. Say yes, fat boy. Very good. So you have to tick on the picture of boy. Okay students, now let's see the next question. Is tick the thin object. Yes, according to these two pictures, picture of chili and picture of tomato, which picture is thin? Yes children, Chili, very good. So you have to tick on the picture of chili. You have to select the picture of chili if you want to tick on the thin object. Okay, let's see the next question. Once again, tick the thin object. Yes children, pencil, bus. Which one is thin? Yes, pencil. So you have to tick in the picture of pencil. Very good. The next question is, tick the fat object. Yes children, which picture is fat? Rat or an elephant? Yes, very good, elephant. So you have to tick on the picture of elephant. So my dear students, now take out your book. Let's do some activity given in our textbook. Take out your term 2 book, page number 35, lesson number 1, part B, fat and thin. Okay, let's do exercise given below. Tick the fat object and cross the thin one. So now what we have to do, we have to tick the fat object. Okay, now see the first one. Yes, chili is fat or thin? Yes, this is thin, so we have to cross it here. Okay, and what about capsicum? This object is fat, so you have to tick on the picture of capsicum. Now below, next picture is an elephant and rat. Just now we did, so an elephant is fat, so you have to tick it here, and rat is thin, so you have to cross it here. So see the next picture. Yes, these two instruments. Yes, this is thin, so you have to cross, and here fat, so you have to tick. Now see the last picture, picture of two books. See here students, fat book, so you have to tick it here, and yes children, thin book, so you have to cross it here. Okay, so my dear students, finish all the works given here in your textbook and send it to me so that I can know you people are learning and practicing at your home. We are going to meet on the next day. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.